Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will take you on a beautiful journey, the incredible transformation that happens week by week during pregnancy. From the very first moment of conception to the exciting arrival of your baby, we will explore how your little one grows and how your body changes to support new life. Whether you are an expecting mom, a partner, or just curious about the miracle of life, this guide will help you understand every stage of pregnancy in a simple and scientific way. So relax, sit back, and let's begin this wonderful 41-week journey together. So start from the first and second week. The egg will take 1 to 2 weeks to develop in uterus. In third week, your baby is a tiny ball called a blastocyte made up of several hundred cells that are multiplying quickly. In fourth week, deep in your uterus, your baby is an embryo made up of 2 layers and your primitive placenta is developing. It is 0.2 millimeter wide and contains length 0.2 millimeter, and heart rate is not present right now, and weight is also cannot be determined. So let's move towards week 5. In week 5, your tiny embryo is growing like a crazy, and you may be noticing pregnancy discomfort like sore breast and fatigue. Length of the fetus will be 2 millimeter, and move toward next 6th week. In the 6th week, your baby's nose, mouth, and ears are beginning to take shape. You may have morning sickness and spotting. Length of the baby will be 4 millimeter. The fetus length will be 4 millimeter. Moving towards 7th week. In 7th week, your baby, still an embryo with small tail, is forming hands and feet. Your uterus has doubled in size. Length of the fetus will be 1 centimeter, and heart rate of the fetus will be 145 to 180 BPM. Moving toward the 8th week of the pregnancy, your baby is constantly moving, though you can't. Meanwhile, you may be making decisions about prenatal test. The length of the fetus will be 1.3 centimeter, and the heart rate of the fetus will be 140 to 178 BPM, beat per minute. Moving toward 9th week of the first trimester, nearly an inch long now, your baby is starting to look like human. You are probably noticed your waist thickening. Length of the fetus will be 2 centimeter or 0.9 inches. And heart rate of the fetus will be 140 to 176 BPM, beat per minute, in the 9th week of pregnancy. Moving toward the 10th week of pregnancy of the first trimester, your body has finished the most critical part of development. Organ and structures are in place and now to grow. The length of the fetus will be 3.5 centimeter or 1.2 inches. Heart rate of the fetus will be 150 to 180 BPM. and the weight of the fetus will be 8 grams. Moving toward the 11th week of the first trimester, your baby's hand will soon open and close into fist, and tiny tooth buds are appearing underneath the gums. The length of the fetus will be 4.5 centimeter or 1.62 inches, and heart rate of the fetus will be 150 to 180 bpm, while the weight of the fetus will be 10 grams. Moving toward the 12th week of pregnancy of the first trimester, your little one tiny toes can curl, her brain is growing furiously, and her kidneys are starting to excrete urine. The length of the fetus will be 6 centimeter or 2.13 inches. The heart rate of the fetus will be 145 to 170 bpm, and the weight of the fetus will be 18 grams. Moving toward the 13th week of the pregnancy of the first trimester, it's the last week of the first trimester. Your baby now has exquisite fingerprints and is almost 3 inches long. The length of the fetus will be 7.5 centimeters or 2.65 inches. The heart rate of the fetus will be 140 to 172 bpm, and the weight of the normal fetus will be 30 grams. Moving toward the 14th week, this is the first week of second trimester. Your baby's tiny features are making different features. You may be feeling more energetic and less nauseatic, and the length of the fetus will be 5.79 inches or 11 centimeter. The heart rate of the fetus will be 130 to 165 bpm, and the weight of the fetus will be 45 grams. Moving toward the 15 weeks of the second trimester, your baby can sense light and is forming taste buds, have a stuffy nose. It's surprising pregnancy side effect. So a stuffy nose in the 15 weeks will be a pregnancy side effect. Length of the fetus will be 6.57 inches or 412 centimeter, and the heart rate of the fetus will be 130 to 165 bpm, and the weight of the fetus in 15-week pregnancy is 18 gram. Moving toward the 16th week of pregnancy of the second trimester, get ready for a growth spurt. It's the next few weeks. Your baby will double his weight and add inches in his length. The length of the fetus will be 7.35 inches or 12.5 centimeter. The heart rate of the fetus will be 125 to 160 bpm, and the weight of the fetus will be 110 to 110 gram. So this is the normal weight in 16 weeks. Moving toward the 7th week of the second trimester, and your baby's skeleton is changing from the soft cartilage to the bone, and umbilical cord is growing stronger and thicker. Length of the fetus will be 8.03 inches or 13 centimeter, and the heart rate of the fetus will be 125 to 170 bpm. The weight of the fetus will be 150 grams. Moving toward the 18th week of the pregnancy of second trimester, your baby's genitals are developed enough to see on an ultrasound hungry. If you are hungry, an increase in appetite is normal now. So in the 18th week of pregnancy, an increase in appetite is seen in the female. The length of the fetus will be 8.74 inches or 14 centimeter. Heart rate will be 135 to 170 bpm, while the weight will be 20 grams. Moving toward the 19th week of pregnancy of second trimester, go ahead and sing. Your baby may be able to hear you. If you slides are itching, it must be round ligament pain. The length of the fetus will be 9.45 inches to 15 centimeter, while the heart rate of the fetus will be 130 to 170 bpm. The weight will be 260 grams in 19th week. Moving toward the 20th week of pregnancy and of the second trimester, congratulations, you are at the halfway mark in your pregnancy. Your baby is swallowing more now and producing meconium. The length of the fetus will be 10.12 inches or 16 centimeter. Heart rate will be 140 to 170 bpm and the weight will be 320 grams. Moving toward the 21st week of the second trimester, feeling your baby move, those early flutters will turn into full-fledged kicks. Cool fact, she has eyebrows now. Length of the fetus will be 10.79 inches or 18 centimeter. Heart rate will be 130 to 170 bpm, while the weight will be 390 grams. Moving toward the 22nd week of the second trimester, your baby is starting to look like a miniature newborn, and your growing belly may be turning into a hand magnet. Length of the fetus will be 11.543 inches or 19 centimeter. Heart rate of the fetus will be 130 to 178 bpm and the weight will be 460 grams. Moving toward the 23rd week of pregnancy of the second trimester, when you are on the move, your baby can feel the motion. Pretty soon you may notice swelling in your ankle and feet. The length of the fetus will be 12.05 inches to 20 centimeter. Heart rate will be 140 to 165 bpm and the weight will be 540 grams. Moving toward the 24th week of pregnancy of the second trimester, your baby is long and lean and like an ear of corn. And your growing uterus is now the size of a soccer ball. So length of the fetus will be 12.68 inches or 21 centimeter. Heart rate will be 140 to 175 bpm, while the weight will be 630 grams. In the 25th week of the second trimester, your little one is starting to add some baby fat and grow more hair. Your baby may be looking extra lustrous too. Your baby's length will be 13.27 inches or 22.5 centimeters. Heart rate will be 140 to 170 bpm and the weight will be 720 grams. Moving toward the 26th week of the second trimester, your baby is inhaling and exhaling small amount of amniotic fluid, which is a good practice for breathing. The length of the fetus will be 14.2 inches or 23.5 centimeters. The heart rate will be 145 to 170 bpm, while the weight will be 820 grams. Now moving toward the 27th week of the second trimester, feel like tickles? It may be your baby hiccuping. He is also opening and closing his eyes and even sucking his fingers. Length of the fetus will be 14.41 inches or 24 centimeters. Heart rate will be 140 to 170 bpm and the weight is 920 grams. Moving toward this 28th week of the pregnancy and the first week of the third trimester. Welcome to your last trimester. Your developing baby's eyes may be able to see light filtering in through your womb. The length of the fetus will be 14.80 inches or 25 centimeter. Heart rate will be 135 to 180 bpm, while the weight will be 1 kg. Moving toward the 29th week of the third trimester, your baby's muscles and lungs are continuing to mature and her head is growing to make room for her developing brain. So the length of the fetus will be 15.47 or 26 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 180 bpm and the weight will be 1.15 kgs. Moving toward the 30th week of the third trimester, your baby now weighs almost 3 pounds. Meanwhile, you may be batting mood swings, clumsiness and fatigue. Length of the fetus will be 15.95 inches, 25 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 180 bpm and the weight will be 1.3 kgs. Moving toward the 31st week of the third trimester, your baby's strong kicks might be keeping you up at night and you may be feeling Braxton Hicks contractions too. Length of the fetus will be 16.46 inches or 27.5 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 180 bbms and the weight of the fetus will be 1.5 kgs. Moving toward the 32nd week of the third trimester, your baby is plumping up. Meanwhile, your expanding uterus may cause heartburn and shortness of breath. So the length of the fetus will be 16.93 inches or 28 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 175 bpm and the weight will be 1.8 kgs. Moving toward the 33rd week of the third trimester, with your baby now weighing a little more over 4 pounds, you might be waiting and having trouble getting comfy in bed. Length of the fetus will be 17.36 inches and or 29 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 175 bpm and the weight will be 1.9 kgs. Moving toward the 34th week of the third trimester, your baby's central nervous systems and lungs are maturing and dizziness and fatigue may be slowing you down. Length of the fetus will be 17.64 inches or 30 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 175 bpm and the weight will be 2.1 kgs. So next, moving toward the 35th week of the third trimester, your baby is too young in your womb to do some somersault, but you will still feel frequent if less dramatic movement. Length of the fetus will be 18.23 inches or 332 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 175 bpm and the weight will be 2.3 kgs. In the 36th week of the third trimester, your baby is gaining about an ounce a day. You may feel her drop down into your pelvis as you approach your due date. The length of the fetus will be 18.62 inches or 34 centimeter. Heart rate will be 135 to 175 bpm and the weight will be 2.5 kg. Moving toward the 37th week of the third trimester, your baby's brain and lungs are continuing to mature. You may have more vaginal discharge and occasional contractions. The length of the fetus will be 19.02 inches to 35 centimeters, and the heart rate will be 135 to 170 bpm, and the weight will be 2.7 kgs. Moving toward the 38th week of the pregnancy of the third trimester, your baby has a firm grasp which you will soon be able to test in person. Meanwhile, watch out for sign of preeclampsia. The length of the fetus will be 19.41 inches or 36 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 170 bpm, and the weight will be 2.8 kgs. Moving toward the 39th week of the pregnancy of the third trimester, your baby is full term this week and waiting to greet the world. If your water break, call your health provider. So length of the fetus will be 19.72 inches or 37 centimeters, and the heart rate will be 130 to 180 bpm, and the weight will be 2.8 kgs. Moving toward the 40th week of the pregnancy of the third trimester, your baby is the size of a small pumpkin. Don't worry if you are still pregnant, it's common to go past your due date. Length of the fetus will be 20.8 inches or 38 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 180 bpms, and the weight of the fetus will be 3 kgs. Moving toward the last week and the 41st week of the third trimester, as cozy as he is your baby, can't stay inside you, you will go into labor or be induced soon. The length of the fetus will be 20 inches to 40 to 50 centimeters. Heart rate will be 130 to 170 bpm, and the weight of the fetus will be 3.2 kg. So that was the pregnancy step by step, week by week. If you like this video, must share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.